Disclaimer: if you do not subscribe, you are tripping.
That's how big it is.
Yeah.
Twin, we play hard as hell, bro. Look at that bitch. Twin,
yeah.
Oh, we going right here.
Yeah.
Yep, let's get a market in. Let's go.
Let's do it.
Let's work. All right, bet, let's do it. Look how the market has turned out, man. Check me out. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. I'm telling y'all. It's all. What's going on?
How are you guys?
We're good. What's going on?
Good. Hello, sir.
What's up?
I'm from Generation Peace Academy.
Right.
I'm just doing a fundraiser right now for our church ministry.
Oh, I donated that already.
The 3D posters.
Yeah, nah, I donated already.
Interested?
I donated already.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you vlogging right now?
Yeah, we vlogging. What's up to the vlog?
Hey, yo, what's up?
Yo. Yo.
Right now because we're going overseas, going to Zambia, supporting young people. Zambia, next month. It's from Africa.
Alright, too. So y'all ain't even see it yet, bro. I ain't posted my last vlog. As you can see, check out the beanies, man. We go red, we go blue, we go purple. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, this damn near kind of go with the fit a little bit.
Yeah.
We got yellow, green, another green, black, pink, gray, the mocha color. See what I'm saying? And then boom. Y'all ain't even see the Tesla yet, man. Go ahead and give them a look, man. It's a little dirty. You know what I'm saying? You go ahead and come to the back. Y'all see the starlights, man? Y'all see the starlights, bro? Let me know what y'all think about it down below in the comment section below. But yeah, that's how it's looking, man. That's how it's looking. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
It just really all depends on what's going on. Just a little crazy.
Right.
Sitting in the Tesla with like showing the not the rhinestones, but showing the lights up top, and the rhinestones will hit too.
I mean, we can see, but I don't know. It like there's a lot of stars, but it ain't like it's a damn scat pack.
Yeah.
So like it's filled. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because there's still a top.
Yeah.
See what I'm saying? We can see though if
Test that.
come out.
It probably even look cooler with the top open. Then we
Right.
actually light going on down there.
Somehow make them look clean, aesthetic. See what I'm saying? Let me go ahead and update y'all real quick, you know what I'm saying, on what's really going on. You know what I'm saying? So boom, we doing like a little talk, you feel me? Like he just dropped the beanies. Y'all see that? The beanies dropped behind. See that? We make like a quick little pleasing aesthetic reel, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna try to make it hard. So yeah, we getting into that, man. We getting into that. Alright, listen. I'm finna tell y'all the whole strategy on how to take clean photos with your beanies. Is the lighting good?
The light it's a little dark, but
It's a little dark. Hopefully y'all can see me. Look, I'm telling y'all. All right, so boom. It's basically like school. You know what I'm saying? Basically what you want to do, you know what I'm saying? Get in that DV position. You know what I'm saying? Hey.
Yeah.
Look, you know what I'm saying? Look. Boom, you're going to squat your knees a little bit. You know what I'm saying? And then you going, watch your handwork. You know what I'm saying? So look. Now I'm gonna redo it one more time, get it that way, so it look clean.
For sure.
Simple as that, bro. Check me out.
Oh yeah. What that is?
Nigga. Nigga. A little ass bug, but hey, I'm telling y'all, man, hey, look. We two 18-year-olds, you know what I'm saying? Making it happen, you feel me? What time is it? It's 6:22. You know what I'm saying? We just trying to change our lives, bro. We working hard, see what I'm saying? Anyways, as you can see, these are the beanies we dropping for $25. Make sure y'all come tap in, conflictedlovers.com, and also join our community, because we give a whole bunch of game. And I'm gonna let y'all know right now, we're gonna have a huge guest on a call. His name is Casper. Y'all seen him? He's finna be on our community. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all go. It's the first link in the description. Tap that link. Get up in the community, man. It's only $25 right now, but we're probably finna raise the price because there's people joining every single day. So with that being said, make sure you go do that. Pause the video right now. Go do that. And also, hey, when the ad pop up, make sure you watch that too. No, actually, I don't think you gotta watch it, but how does it work?
They don't gotta watch it. It's gonna come up.
They don't gotta watch it?
Yeah.
Oh, so when the ad come up, you know what I'm saying? Wait, no. They don't gotta watch it?
Nah, like they don't gotta watch the full ad for you to like make it cheap.
Well, watch full video. Well, watch full video, you know what I'm saying? Because I just bought a new lens, as y'all can see, wide body lens. So make sure you watch the video, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, I'm gonna get it with y'all. Two. My freaking camera died, bro. It's dead. No, it's not dead. It's at a storage. I've been recording all day. I even went upstairs, tried to get the storage off, and it's still not working with me. So here's the beanies right here. You know what I'm saying? I got the last of the footage, but here's the beanies right here. Somebody's coming down. But we finna get some content in this. I'm not finna record that right there because obviously my camera's dead. So yeah, I'm gonna get up with y'all. Go and do a beanie spread for me, man. Beanie spread.
Hold on.
Yeah, I'm gonna go see that, man. Whoa. Dropping the merch. Okay then. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah. Hey man, after a long day of hard work, y'all know where we at, man. Y'all know where the hell we at.
This be our spot for it.
We always go here. After a long day of hard work, we come to Chipotle. What you working on?
Yeah, I gotta get the tox up for the night, man. Little vids I just cooked up for to see how I do and all that stuff, man.
Let me see
Hey.
Damn, we can't do the trend. Look. There ain't no damn napkins.
I got napkins in the car though.
We could have done the trend. I bet
Yeah. What was the trend, Jeff?
Bro, look, they would take napkins, bro. Like we'll take all the napkins out of here.
Oh word.
Yeah. Well, I guess somebody ready to business to it. Appreciate it.
Appreciate you, my boy. Appreciate you.
I bet.
She finna be in my car.
Who?
The lady.
Who you talking about?
The old lady.
What? I'm so glad I got this lens, bro. Like everything is so much wider. It's not like this or like this. Like y'all go watch my old video, bro. It looks exactly like that. But man, we was marketing, and yeah, I'm finna show y'all what I just cooked up. Just something cool for the reels. Let me show y'all. My hands might be ashy. I just washed my hands. I had some Chipotle. Yeah, I'm finna call it a day, but let me show y'all. Like I told y'all before, everything I buy is an investment. I just bought this brand new lens today, and I am in love with this lens. Like I love this lens. Like bro, like y'all don't even understand, bro. Like my vids used to be like this, bro, and I had to really stretch on my arm, but like I can stretch on my arm like this, and like y'all can see everything, bro. Like I love this lens so much. So, I don't know what to say, man. But see y'all in the next episode. I'm out. Damn, that's crazy. I really got to do this now because I can't even do this. They don't cover it. And I don't even want to put my fingers on my lens. So I really got to do this. All right. I love y'all, man. I'm out.